everybody, my name is Amy. I'm one of the BrainFit coaches. I'm going to walk you through a balance that can help you when you're trying to focus when there's a lot of distractions around. We all know sometimes you have to work at home, and maybe it's parents, you're working from home, or kids, you're trying to do your homework, and there's lots of stuff going on. The TV's going on, you might have younger brothers or sisters around. This balance is going to help you to make that a little bit easier. So just like in our other balances, the first thing we start with is pace. And our first step with pace is some water. So grab your water and drink up. And we're going to do those brain buttons. So find that spot right under your collarbone, those two soft spots. And with one hand, you're going to just rub, and the other hand goes on your belly button. And just rub and relax. Take some deep breaths. Get that oxygen to the brain. And now you can switch hands. Next, we're going to move into some cross crawls. So cross crawls, just touching the opposite knee. See if we can get those elbows in there. I like to do my feet too. Getting both sides of the brain working together. Now we're going to do hookups. So hands up, thumbs down, cross them and bring them up to your chest. Cross your legs and the tongue goes to the roof of your mouth where that clicking spot is. And hold it there. Again, take some nice deep breaths. I'm going to switch sides and go the other way. And then just bring those fingertips together and hold. Okay, so that was our first step in our balance. The second step is we have to come up with a goal. Our goal for today is to be able to focus with distractions. Right now I'm in a pretty quiet spot in order to do this video, but if there was a lot of distractions around, I'm going to just do some noticing around that. And right now I'm just going to pause and I'm going to listen. And I'm going to see if I notice noises around me. I'm going to see if my eyes are wandering. Maybe they're noticing a lot of things going on around here. I'm just going to notice. I can hear my neighbors talking outside. I notice my eyes are really picking up some things around the room, really wanting to look at everything, not able to focus on the camera. So just notice. See what you notice. What's happening with your eyes? What's happening with your ears? Are you able to focus on what's happening? Are you able to focus on this video, or is it hard? Is there a lot going on? Are you being distracted? So that was our third step. Notice. We had pace. We did our goal, which was to focus with distractions, and we did some noticing. Now we're going to do some movements around that. The first movement we're going to do is arm activation. Arm activation will help get your tension released from your shoulders, get you ready to do work or to sit down and do your homework, or moms and dads to sit at your computer or your paper and pencil and do your work. arm activation. So one arm goes up, and with your other arm, you're going to, I'm just going to back up so you can see me a little better, and you're just going to put that arm up nice and straight, and with your other arm that's holding on, just resist. So you're going to try and push that arm out towards the side, and just resist with that arm that's holding it. Just resist. Now you're going to push towards your head, and just push, and then don't let your arm go. And now go back. Push your arm back, and just keep it from going back there. And now towards the front. Just push that arm forward. Try and keep it up there, nice and straight. Good job. Now just shake those shoulders out for a second, and then we're going to go over to the other side. So now this arm goes up, nice and straight, and with this hand, hold, and you're going to pull out, push out towards the wall, away from your head. Can you do it? Don't let your arm go. Now I'm going to push in towards my head. Keep that arm nice and straight. And now I'm going to push forward. And I'm not letting my arm go. And I'm going to push back. Okay. Oh, shake those arms out. Do you feel that tension relax? My shoulders just feel like they've dropped. That feels great. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do something called gravity glider. So you'll want a chair. I have a stool here, so I'm going to show you with a stool. And you're going to sit on the chair or the stool. Sit towards the edge a little bit because you want to be able to stretch your legs out. And I'm going to stretch my legs out. I'm going to cross my legs. With your arms, put them out in front of you, and then you're going to bend at the waist and come right down towards your toes. Keep that head up a little bit and just feel the stretch down the back of your legs. Just let that sit there for a minute. Feel that stretch. Keep your arms nice and straight, your legs nice and straight. And then I'm just going to come up a little bit, and I'm going to come down again and try and go a little bit lower. Just feel that good stretch in the back, lower back, down the back of your legs. Now I'm going to switch and cross my legs the other way and repeat that. Come right down, stretch that lower back, stretch those legs, feel that stretch. Get that body ready to focus and listen and pay attention on your work. Come up a little bit and come back down again. See if you can go a little bit lower. And get a little bit lower. All right, nice job. And the last one we are going to do is neck rolls. And for neck rolls, you start with your head over your shoulder, and you're just going to follow like the neckline. Now don't go back, you just come right to this side and pause for a second, and then you're going to come right down, push that chin to your chest, get a nice stretch, and then come back again, follow that line of your necklace, and come back up. Just feel that tension in the shoulders relaxing, getting those arms and those shoulders ready to do some work. Ready to sit down and learn. All right, so we did our pace, we did our goal, we did our noticing, and we've done our movements. We're on to step number 5, which is to notice again. So I'm just going to listen again, and I'm going to see if I notice any changes. Let's see. Do I notice my neighbors? I can hear them, but I can still focus on the camera. I can still hear them. And my eyes don't want to wander. A little bit, but not as much for sure. So that's a nice positive change. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helped you. Try this out when you want to focus better, when there's a lot of distractions going on. See if it helps. I hope it does. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye.